Namaskaram, Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, Sloka 65. The knowledge received from Vedas and Upanishads is no mere understanding, but steady contemplation of God. Contemplation must acquire the quality of direct perception and must be characterized by extreme love towards the infinite spirit being contemplated. When these qualities are fulfilled, the knowledge in question is fittingly described as bhakti. So, in this verse, bhakti of this nature is inculcated. In this sloka, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, may the mind dwell on me, may it be filled with absolute love towards me and dwell on me with that love. May that loving contemplation issue in complete service to me with perfect love. May that loving contemplation make thee surrender thyself to me with perfect love. Here, injunction directs Arjuna to contemplation. So, love is prescribed as a necessary character of this contemplation. So, loving contemplation leads to service and surrender to God, and they should be characterized by absolute love. So, love is glorified here. Love to be shown to God. Surrender yourself, do service to Him. Think of Him, contemplate. So this is what Lord says in this. And Lord says, when you love me, my love reaches the climax. Then I cannot bear the separation of you from me. So I'll come to you. I'll take you with me. So this is what we all want. Our goal in life is only to be in union with God, to unite with Him. So this is what we are all longing for, and we are learning. We are getting this knowledge only to reach that. And God also says that I am giving you promise that is not an empty declaration. I'll keep up my promise. I'll come to you. So he wants love from devotees. King Ambarish is the best example for showing love, how he showed love to God. His mind was filled with the lotus feet of Lord Bhagavan Vishnu. Then his speech only on the glory of qualities of God. Eyes seeing only the deities. Ears hearing only the divine pastimes of God. Nose smelling fragrance of tulsi, which is offered at the lotus feet of God. Then limbs to do service to the devotees of Lord Vishnu. Then feet walk towards the holy abodes, and his head offering namaskaram to God. This is what he followed. And we can even refer Bhakta Prahalada for his love towards God. He was thinking of only Narayana, he was singing on Narayana, he was chanting on Narayana. So all his actions were surrendered to Narayana. He surrendered himself to Narayana. So this is what Lord Vishnu expects from all. If we follow this, then we will not be disturbed by any material things in the world. We will not be attached to material world, because our concentration is only on attaining the moksha, salvation in union with God. So this makes our life very, we know what is to be achieved, we know our goal. So we work on that path to reach that goal, and God is ready to help us when He is ready to help. Now here He is helping Arjuna to that. So He is assuring that He will help us when we love Him and we do surrender ourselves to Him and we do service to Him. Thank you.